Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a vacuuming with the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet. This is the one I found in the garbage across the street from my house, my neighbor's garbage. Yeah, I haven't done a video in a while. Like literally, it's been like 3 weeks. 3 weeks to a month since I last uploaded. Sorry for the long wait. YouTube has literally been having issues. YouTube's been having issues with me uploading videos. It would always say error uploading video, something went wrong, or or sometimes it just doesn't even attempt to upload. So hopefully when I try to upload this video, it will upload, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully it uploads. So we have the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet, and again, I haven't bothered cleaning it out at all since I got it in the garbage. It hasn't bothered me too bad. Which for you, I would recommend that I should clean it out and get it all cleaned up, but it's fine with me. I don't really mind. So anyways, we're going to be doing a quick video on the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet. If you go on Dirt Devil's website, you will not see this model. You will see a purple version of this, which is an upgraded, newer model. So so yeah, this is a example of the older version of the Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet. So this is a example of the older version. So so we have a Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet model UD 70167. And I'll go ahead and show you the plate right here. There you go. I know it's definitely not the best at focusing, but you can see UD 70167 and E16A. So that means 2016, I think. If I'm right, if it's 2016. It's only 4 years old, which is not that bad at all. So April. I'm guessing that means April 2016. If I'm wrong, let me know if I'm wrong in the comments, because E16A, I guess. A means April of 2016, I'm guessing. So, I'm guessing of April 2016, but I do know, I'm not sure about the A, but I think it means April, but not sure about that, but I do know that this was made in 2016. So, I'm going to be doing a quick vacuuming video with Dirt Devil PowerMax Pet. So, I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, so you can see it works. It works great for the most part. Cord right there. So yeah, this is just a quick vacuuming with the Dirt Devil PowerMax pet. So yeah, uh, like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for this video. Leave a comment down below on what videos you want me to do next. Um, also, be sure to leave a comment what I said earlier on the E16A. The A, I think it means April, but if I'm wrong, just let me know.